Phillips head screwdriver. All right, everyone. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 here on YouTube. This comes with good news. I mean, real good news for us, and big appreciation for everybody out there that has watched the videos and subscribed. We finally met our 1,000 subscriber mark. That's big for us because we didn't ever think that we would ever make it. We've kind of slacked on videos here and there lately, and but when we do, we're trying to pick it up now. But would really like to thank everybody that has subscribed, commented, liked, everything that goes in that whole realm for these videos. We started out just seeing what would happen. We finally made our 1,000, and which, like I said, we didn't think that we would. We weren't trying to be that serious, but we made it. And like to thank everybody that did subscribe, that has subscribed. And if you hadn't, please do. It's free, doesn't cost anything. If you don't like the video, you can go to the next one. Hopefully the next one will be better than that, or whatever. We got a few out there already, and but we made the 1,000 mark, and pretty soon we've got some inventory from. We've got some different hats and shirts and stuff that we're going to be giving away from Benchmark Abrasives, which, if you watch the videos, you know they do help us out quite a bit, and we couldn't have all that. Well, the abrasives, it takes all that stuff to do metal work, and even make these videos. It all goes down to, every little piece is important, and especially abrasives, because once you run out of the stuff to cut and grind with, you're done until you get it. And where we're located, way rural area, we're 11 to 18 miles from any town. We're, like I said, we're very rural, and but like to thank everyone. But once we get everything figured out, there'll be a notification we're gonna have like a little giveaway, thank you on a live deal pretty soon. hopefully sooner than later. We just got to get everything together. We have most of the inventory. We're going to, like I said, we got hats and shirts and stuff. Don't know what all, if we'll give it all away at one time or maybe, you know, that, I mean, we just really appreciate everybody. Like I said, it's just me and my son, Tenderfoot, Brandon. He's always behind the camera, but would like to thank everyone, and especially at this point, Benchmark Abrasives. And if you haven't, if you need abrasives or anything, or you got a new tool and you need some new stuff to fit it, different types of things, you know, they've got everything from welding tungsten to Rolock disc. I mean, they've got it all, everything in between, A to Z. But if you need abrasives, don't look past Benchmark. Give them a look, see, and it's right now we have a 10% code where if you put in LVD10, it'll come up with our name and you get 10% off of your purchase, which that's a big deal for most cases due to the fact of shipping and stuff like that. And like I said, we just want to thank them and thank everybody for sure that has subscribed. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you from me. Thank you from Brandon. Everybody. Just can't say it enough. Just a couple cats out here in the country trying to live a dream. And thank you, and have an awesome day. All right, everyone. Thank you for hanging in and watching this video. It's not a long video. It's like a collaboration of the last few things that we've done on this truck. Starting with the Holley, the EFI that's going on it. It's all kind of dummied up there. We had to do that to run the cold side of the turbo and all. And the grill, we set the grill in it, got it squared away. And the front bumper, got it squared away, got it where it needs to be. We sucked it in about inch and a half backwards towards the truck, kind of tightened it all up a little bit. Got that on there, and we've put one door on it so far. We wanted to get at least one on for now. We left one off purposely for now. And we started on the rear bumper to get it mounted. We're short on hardware, so we'll get all that tomorrow, and that'll be on another video. But we'd like to thank everyone again, all the new subscribers. Hopefully pretty quick here, we'll be doing a little short giveaway on some stuff for the 1,000 subscribers. But we want to thank you, and again, thank Benchmark Abrasives. If you need abrasives or need to check on getting some abrasives, don't look past Benchmark Abrasives, please. Check them out, benchmarkabrasives.com. LVD10 is our 10% discount code for anybody that buys anything and puts that code in. It certainly helps, like I said before. It helps, you know, with shipping and everything else. It'll cut down a little bit. Every little bit helps. And if we can help, that's awesome. And yeah, thank you, and everyone have an awesome night.